Hey, it's Abhi here and welcome to the video. This video is going to be a case study of this product called Prostadine right here. All right, and I will just quickly refresh my ClickBank dashboard so that you can see my stats right here. Okay, I'm going to discuss everything in this video. By the way, I learned this strategy from Super Profit Sniper, but I will talk about that later in this video. Okay, so first of all, let me just go ahead and show you the full report here. So I will click on the full report, and if you can see my campaign here, so I started this campaign of Prostadine on 11th of October 2023. So I will select that date. All right, 11th of October 2023 till now. Okay, and if you can see for Prostadine, I have made about 14 sales, so that's about $1,700 in total sales. And if I go and check, $1,722 in net earnings. Okay, now I'll go back to my tracking space, and I will just quickly search for my campaign here. All right, so I have to select the dates, right? I will just do this here because it's gonna be same. All right, about $1,600. It is showing $1,600 in here and $1,700 something in here. Actually, this is the right amount. Of course, there is some delay in data or some problems initially when I started working with max conversion. It was a little complicated at first, but I think it's all fine now. Okay, and all this data, by the way, you will see that different names here, but it was initially this name here, and then I actually changed the name to this, you can see, remodified, and then it started tracking it separately automatically and things like that, right? So all of these are basically the same. And sorry about the mobile notification if you heard that. Let me just quickly silent that out. All right, so you can see I have made about $1,600 in revenue, which is just $1,600 revenue. Let's just take that. Okay, so about $1,000 in profits and 175% ROI, right? And actual revenue is $172.86. So let's just quickly search for that, and let's quickly calculate. So that is about 143 this much, right? So let me copy that, and let me just pull out a calculator real quick, and this calculator. All right, let me just do that, and let me just calculate overall ad spend. Okay, so this is the ad spend here, and if you can see here, the revenue shows basically the same, but again, I messed up the tracking. The real tracking is in there. So this is the ad spend. So let me just go back to calculator, minus, and paste. So about 92,000 INR, which is about $1,113.29 in profits properly if I track that. Now what I can do is I will also show you, actually let me just close that out. I will show you the the keywords and everything as well with this, right? But if you notice closely, right, the average CPC is about 75, which is below dollar that being shows normally. I will show that as well. Now before I show you the keywords, I think I will show you how to do a little bit of keyword research, right? And for brand building, it's very easy. So I just open it down, new tab. All right, let me just go there. All right, what I will do is I will select the US in here, and you can actually select Australia, UK along with US. But for the sake of simplicity, I will just use US. And what I normally do is I enter the name of the product and several variations that people might search, right? Prostadine reviews, Prostadine scam, because people search on Google, on Microsoft, on Bing, right, on Yahoo, if the product is scam or not, things like that. So that's basically, you can actually add several more, and I will just click on get suggestions. Now I really want to make sure if there is enough searches where I can run ads on Microsoft, right? So here you can also add these keywords as well. Does Prostadine really work? Things like that. But anyway, so you have to click this one. First of all, keyword suggestions, and then keyword, and you will select search terms. All right, when you do that, you will get the exact data for that particular search term. So for Prostadine, you can see there's an insane amount of searches per month, here graphically. For ingredients, it's a little bit low. Okay, for reviews, yep, pretty consistent, right? 1,000, about 1,000 all the time. Profession scam, all right, again pretty consistent, about 1,500, 1,000, about 1,000. So when I go after products, when I just do brand bidding, I will go after searches that has at least 500 monthly searches, the keywords that has at least 500 monthly searches. Okay, so similarly, if I go here, I have added the keywords here. Okay, it's very easy. So I have added keywords. So these shows all enable keywords. Let me just click on all keywords, and you will see all these paused keywords, right? So I tested it for some time. It wasn't performing well, so I paused them all. All right, personal reviews, drops reviews, supplement reviews, things like that. It didn't perform, so I will just come back. So after a while, these keywords actually performed a lot better, right? They are personal reviews, scam by prostitute. So how did I know that? The tracking here is not exactly great, but if I go back to my tracking and if I select, how do I select? If I can I select everything? Anyway, just let me select the main one anyway, right? And I will click on report, and I will click on the token string, query string 1, and it will show me all the data here. Okay, so I will click on revenue here. You will see a lot of the sales were coming from few keywords. So here you can see prostitution scam, I have actually made pretty good ROI. That is a very, very good ROI. You can see 50,000 ROI here, but that's just one visit from that click, but from that keyword term, and then got 2 sales, right? A sale and an upsell. That's why this is outrageous. But you can see all of them are pretty pretty good. By the way, prostitution reviews and complaints is a part of prostitution reviews as well. So if I combine that, you should take that in account when you do that. So that is still pretty good, pretty over 50% or something. So you can say, and according to that data, I actually changed my keywords from everything else to just this much. So I narrowed down my keywords that was getting me the best results. So as you can see, so I have these both 2 keywords, an exact and phrase. This one just as phrase, and this one just as phrase as well, right? And if you see, you can see my average CPC is pretty good as well, and in total it is just 77 INR, which is if I go here and I will just add 77 here, it is about below dollars per click, and I am actually making a pretty good profit that you just saw. All right, so let me go just to ClickBank, and you can see, right? Prostitute, this much, 7 upsells, 1 refund, right? I'm showing I being transparent, about $722, and from that about $1,100 in profit, which is pretty amazing. Now if I go back to my campaigns, I have to show you the ads as well, right? Not just this one. So I will show you my ads. So if I go to ads and extensions, and you will see a couple of ads, I think. Yes, couple of ads. So I always run 2 or 3 ads to split test which one performs better, and you can see the CTR of both are kind of similar, but this one is performing better. So I might just pause this one and let all the traffic go to this one, right? And you can see everything is pretty much similar. Just ignore this revenue part. The tracking is kind of messy, but you can see the CTR and all the important metrics right here. Now if you want to see the audiences, the locations, for example, I am just targeting USA for this one. I actually had Australia and UK. It was eating up my budget a little, and there was not much clicks, so I removed them and just focus on US. So that worked out pretty well. And if I go to devices, you will see, let me show you. You will see computers and smartphones are working really well. Okay, and tablets none. So I actually removed the tablet, right? Minus 100%. All right, so let me go back and show you the ads right here. and it will open up a new landing page here, and you can see this is the landing page that I am using, right? It is a review style landing page, and it works pretty well. And I learned that from this course called Super Average Sniper. So this is Mark Whiteley and this is Anthony Ruzek, and they has pretty comprehensive guide as well, right? So right now I am running Google ads as well. So if I go back to campaigns, right, you can see I'm currently running running on Google ads as well, right? But this one is the current live one of research. So I have not made any money at all for that. So there is a proper strategy involved, right? If this doesn't make money up to $100, I will just simply cut it off and try a new product and go from there. I hope this video is providing you value. So maybe a like, a comment, a share would be really appreciated. Anyway, not a lot of people does this, right? Not a lot of people show you the live campaign that they are running, so that, you know, I mean, it is reasonable, because, you know, a lot of people just simply go ahead and copy it and just run it themselves. You can, I know, I am aware I'm making more competition for me, but I think I have a lot of experience so that I can continue to make profits with this. Okay, so this is the course, by the way, and you can avail that done for your service, help and everything. But I will also actually give you my personal help if you purchase it through my link as well. So I will leave a link of this one in the description. This is a review page. You can watch a review video here, and if you click it on, you will go to a webinar where you will learn a free training how to really make money with this strategy. Okay, so these are my results, some of the results of members and things like that. But I want to talk about the special bonus if you actually buy it through me. First of all, you get 30 minutes one-on-one call. All right, we can have a chat, we can have a call, whatever that you want on. And number 2, free ad tracking setup. So if you go inside Super Average Sniper or most of the courses, they will ask you to buy ClickMagick or buy this and that. And, you know, I don't really want you to spend that much money on tools, but instead, I mean, they are important, but what can I do is I can suggest you free alternatives that I am using myself. By the way, this is completely free. I'm not paying a dime for tracking my Google ads and Bing ads campaign, right? And number 3, free landing page builder plus templates. So the template that you just saw, the landing page, I will give that to you for free. It is given in here as well, but they use OptimizePress. I use Thrive Architect, right? And I actually can give you Thrive Architect for free as well, right? And for custom videos, personalized video for you if you have any troubles with anything regarding strategy, great. Ongoing one-on-one helps and support, obviously. All right, so if you are going to buy it, get it, right, and then contact me over email with the purchase receipt, and we can have a talk after that. And there's a bunch of bonuses that they give you, which is great. Facebook group, calculator, Excel sheets, things like that, which helps you keep track of everything. So what do you think about this video? Please let me know if you want me to make more videos like this. And yeah, that's it. If I missed out anything, please do let me know, and I will reply to that. And I will hide some information here so that I don't want to show you the account information and everything. But anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.